Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can customize the endpoints of your connectors or lines in your Lucidchart diagram. So let us guide you through this. So guys, navigate to your diagram and you may, for example, connect various elements like text boxes, shapes, frames, and so on and so forth by simply clicking into the given object and by selecting one of these connectors and by moving the connector to the next object by connecting them here by clicking into that or releasing your left mouse over that connector. Now if you'd like to customize the line, right click into it and you may go, for example, through these options here. You may lock or unlock the given line. You may arrange the position like send to back. Now if you'd like to customize, for example, the endpoints, you may left click into the line, and here at the top you will see these options: line options and endpoint options as well. If you'd like to change the line, for example, from or to a band or banded or a straight line, select one of these. You may also select the thickness here, and if you'd like to change the line point for one, customize the endpoint of these arrows, select the drop-down menu, and you will see the endpoint changing its shape and appearance. And you can go with any of these. And that's basically it. Now some of these endpoints can be customized even further, like you can change their position, their size, or the connector, as you can see. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.